In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable client access in HoneyBook, Client Portal 2026. If you want your clients to have a smooth, self-serve experience where they can find their files and messages in one place, enabling client access in HoneyBook is the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact path in your account and explain what each setting means so you can turn it on confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. If you're prompted for security verification, such as a code sent to your device, complete that to continue. After you log in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base and where you'll see an overview of recent activity. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where all the key areas of your account live, and we'll use it to get to the settings we need. Click on Settings in that left-hand menu. This opens the broader settings area for your business. Next, select the Company section, then choose Client Portal and Domain. This area controls what your clients see and how they access their portal, including the link format tied to your brand. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Client Access. This is where the toggle for automatic portal sharing lives. Look for the option that says Automatically include a client portal link in emails and files. Turn this on. With this enabled, HoneyBook will automatically add the client portal link to communications and documents you send in new projects, making it easy for clients to access everything without you manually pasting the link each time. A couple of important notes here. Clients won't know about the portal unless they receive the link, so this setting ensures the link is included going forward. Also, this change applies only to new projects you create after turning it on. Existing projects won't be affected, so if you want those clients to have portal access, you'll need to share the link with them separately from within those projects. If you don't immediately see the toggle, make sure you're in the right section under Company, then Client Portal and Domain, and try a quick refresh. When you're done, your setup is complete. From here on out, your new client communications will include the portal link automatically, reducing back and forth and improving your client experience. That's it. You've enabled client access in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you set it up.